everyone, in today's video we learn about circle command. As you can see on the screen, it is displayed in the tab that's called circle. If you click on this option, there are many ways to use this command, but we'll follow the most easiest method. So for the same, we'll input the shortcut key of circle command, that is CI enter. It shows three options, that is 3P, 2P, TTR. So we'll start with first one, that is 3P. Just click on this, which says specify first point of circle. Now second point. So here is your circle. Just click on the third point. Now again press CI enter. Press on 2P. Specify first point. For the second point, you can directly just click enter. It will end the command, or you can just input some value as a diameter. So I am just clicking directly. So this is your circle by the method of 3P. This is by 2P. Now we'll use the last option of circle command. So for that I'll enter CI enter. TTR, that is tan radius. Now for this, we are supposed to select the first tangent of circle. Now if I click on this circle, this green node appear which shows the tangent of circle. So let's say I click it here, and for this circle I'll click it here. Now it's asking for the radius of circle. So 1 feet 4 inches. So can you see my circle appeared on the screen? This command is this command is basically used to create circles by perfection in order to create some typical shapes, or you can say figures. By using this method, you will get exactly the same circle you want on exact positions. So in this video we have made 3 circles. One is by the 3P method, 2P method and TTR. This is all for today. Thank you.